Hello. Our topic today is wages and income distribution. Yes, wages and income distribution. My name is Mrs. Osewa, and I'm going to be your teacher today. Now, in the course of this lesson, we are going to answer the following question. Why do we work for money? Why do we work for money? The reasons why we work for money. And the next one is it possible to live without a job? Yes. Let's look at a wage, a salary, or income. What do these things mean? A wage, a salary, or income is the money people receive in exchange for their labor and services. These three words have the same meaning but with a little variance. A wage is that money you earn on a daily or weekly basis, while salary is that income that comes on a monthly basis. Okay, so initially we say, why do we work for money? First of all, the reason why we have to work to earn money is because there's no such thing as getting something for nothing. Yes, there's no such thing as free money. That is money you earn for no effort. So you must work. Therefore, to earn money, you have to exchange something of value for the other. In the other one, we said, why is it possible for people to stay without a job? You can live without a job, but it might be more difficult than you imagine. The main thing about having a job is that it provides stability and peace of mind. Okay, so we live in a world where employment is generally necessary in order to eat, okay, and have your shelter, okay. Then you have basic income. It means when the government of our country gives all its citizens a particular amount of money regularly, okay, without any work. Now, the reasons why people who work do not earn the same amount of money include: one, people have different levels of qualification. A BSc holder earns more money than an SSCE holder. Yeah, it's very obvious, okay? A Bachelor of Science degree holder, maybe in any discipline like in medicine or in law or in teaching, okay, will earn far better than an SSCE holder. Then the next one is people who are paid because of the amount of job experience they have. So when people have garnered a lot of experiences from the profession that they do, okay, it puts them on the edge of earning more money than others. And people earn higher if they perform excellently on their job. Yes, when you perform more on your job, you earn more money. And people earn more if they are specialists in a particular profession. Okay, medical doctor is a specialist, a surgeon that is properly trained is a specialist. So these persons are specialists in their professions and they earn more money than others in other professions. Take for example a gardener, okay, a housekeeper, okay. So that is what that. So these are the reasons why people who work do not earn the same amount of money. I hope. Now, standard of living. Oftentimes, you've heard this word, you've come across it, okay? So it means a person's standard of living is how well or how badly he or she lives. Yes, that's standard of living. A person's standard of living is how well or how badly he or she lives, okay? Take for example, a standard of living is being measured, okay, by the kind of environment the person lives, okay, being able to afford adequate space for his or her family, eating a balanced diet, okay, living in a clean neighborhood. So these factors, they say, the person's standard of living is high. But when a person is staying near a refuse dump or in cramped condition or not having balanced meals, okay, you can see that the person's standard of living is low. First, someone's income or salary is related to their standard of living. Yes, it's related because if your income is very low, there's likelihood that your standard of living will be low. But if you have a high income, your standard of living will be high. Okay, so when people fall sick and they can't take care of themselves because of low income, it's all related to their standard of living. Now, income and standard of living in developed versus developing countries. First, what is a developed nation, developed country? Is that country that is more industrialized and have higher income levels, okay? They pay more to their citizens. Why a developing nation, okay? They are those countries that are less industrialized and have lower income for their citizens. Okay, so when we say developed nations, examples of those developed nations include France, US, Germany, okay, Russia. All these countries are well developed. Okay, then when you say developing nations, Nigeria, Ghana, Gambia, in fact, most countries in Africa, they are developing countries. If you look at the image before you, you will see that the first is representing a developed nation where even in all the storms and rain, the government can protect and provide for its citizens without problem. But in a developing nation, which is the second image, the government cannot shelter or take care of its citizens even at the storm and all what is going on. So what we are saying is that in developed nations, they are more industrialized, their healthcare facilities, they are beautiful, their cultural sector is fine compared to developing nations. So Nigerian government have to be responsible to see that the standard of living of the country is high. Thanks for watching.